Hello guys, today I've got Motorola Moto G22 and I'm going to show you how to fix fingerprint sensor not working. So, at first you need to prepare a cloth. It can be a soft cloth, it can be every single cloth that exists, but you need to prepare it. Here, take a look at the power button. It's right here. The first thing before cleaning it is that you need to check this button for any damage. If you see that it's, I don't know, it has any damage, you know what I mean. It can be broken, or maybe you may have some damage on it, or debris, or anything like that, or anything like scratches maybe. You need to just contact the device support to have it replaced, or some service, you know what I mean, authorized service. If you don't see, clean it with the soft cloth. Clean it with the cloth, just like that. I won't recommend to use any chemicals or water, just clean it like this. I will wipe my screen to have it clean also. So now it should work. It's set on a thumb. So as you can see, mine works. But what if yours still doesn't work? You need to open the settings and open connected devices. Open here security. Here tap fingerprint. Now you need to confirm your screen lock and tap this bell icon near your fingerprint. Yes, remove. Now add fingerprint back again, and you need to lift and then touch again with your finger the touch sensor. It's quite long, I know. And now it should work. Tap done and check if you can unlock your phone. I can. If you can, you owe me a like and a subscription. If you still don't, you need to take off any case you're wearing right now, and that may be covering the buttons, and then you will be able to do it. And if it still doesn't work, you need to contact the device support to have it fixed. This phone is kind of old, so I would actually recommend to contact any service that will replace it for you, because you don't have any warranty services. And in the official Motorola service, it will cost a lot. Goodbye!